Best home workout routine. A comprehensive home workout routine should cover various aspects of fitness, including cardiovascular, strength, flexibility, and balance exercises. Here's a detailed plan. 1. Warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes. Start with light cardio to increase your heart rate, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. Perform dynamic stretches to loosen your muscles, like arm circles and leg swings. 2. Cardiovascular exercise, 20 to 30 minutes. Options include jogging in place, high knees, burpees, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week. 3. Strength training, 20 to 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and mountain climbers. Use household items like water bottles or bags filled with books for added resistance. 4. Flexibility and mobility, 10 to 15 minutes, daily. Incorporate static stretches, yoga, or Pilates to improve flexibility. Focus on all major muscle groups. 5. Balance and core, 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Exercises like single leg stands, wall sits, or planks to enhance balance and core strength. 6. Cool down, 5 to 10 minutes. Finish with static stretching for all major muscle groups. Focus on deep breathing and relaxation. Here are some workout tips. Stay hydrated throughout the workout. Maintain proper form and posture to prevent injuries. Listen to your body and adjust the routine as needed. Progressively increase intensity or repetitions as your fitness improves. Consistency is key for seeing results. Remember to consult a healthcare professional or fitness expert if you're new to exercise or have any medical conditions to ensure the routine is safe and suitable for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.